Hi kids, today on Chef Humam and Ambre's cooking show we're gonna make
chocolate chip brown butter cookies.
Basically the reason we're doing this for bio is because every ingredient on this list comes down to either glucose or some sort of lipid, which we will explain in further detail as the video goes on. So to get us started, we're gonna have Chef Ambre put in the sugars. So sugar is actually just sucrose, which is a combination of glucose and fructose, making it a disaccharide. Next ingredient is butter, which we're gonna actually toast in the pan over there. And the reason butter relates to biology, butter is actually a lipid derived from dairy, which means it contains lactose, which is another type of disaccharide containing galactose and glucose. And the lipid is just another form of hydrocarbon, a saturated fat. And yeah, we're just gonna toast it on the pan over there. Okay. The reason we're doing this is because butter, which is derived from dairy, contains milk fats, which when toasted, give a really deep toffee-like flavor that will only enhance our cookie eating experience. The foam right now is the fat separating from the milk fats, which are gonna toast. And you're gonna start seeing it turn my skin color.
Brown.
Hey. So right now, after the water's boiled off, the milk fats are starting to toast, which is why it's taking on a darker color. All right, toasted butter. Now that the butter's toasted, we can pour it into the sugar. Our next ingredient is vanilla. And vanilla is just a type of alcohol, which is ethanol, which is composed of a methyl group and a hydroxyl group. This one didn't even crack, to be honest. I've committed to one hand at this point, but I do nothing. Look at me. Nothing. Can I give you a hug?
No.
No?
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So, eggs are special. They're actually not special, but what is in them is cholesterol. And cholesterol is another fat. It's actually a steroid, and it's made out of 4 carbon rings, carbon hexes actually, which is just another form of hydrocarbon. And what it does in cookies is it provides protein, and the protein reacts with the sugars and the fats to make the brown edges, the crispy edges that we all like to
Munch on.
munch on. The next ingredient is salt. And after that, we're gonna put in baking soda. Oh my god. Okay.
I quit.
Baking soda is a base, and salt is not a base or an acid. It's just there. Okay, the next ingredient is 4 cups of flour. And flour is made primarily of starch, which is a polymer that comes from plants, which is just made up of glucose. So
Spit it cold and concise, no chance, man, I could do this all night. It's a roll of the dice when you hold it the mics. I might lend you my voice, cause you ain't using it right. The name is Who Man, not Who Man, please say the shit right. You asking who can, so I'm doing it twice. I'm a toucan, Fruit Loop, mukbang, eating type of kid. Drive a Dodge Grand Caravan, like damn, I'm quirky. Looking at all these hoes like damn, y'all flirty. Blink and miss a few years like damn, I'm 30. I eat a flame, spit smoke, speak game, lose hope, move away from all the bullshit like damn, I'm too close, motherfucker. Who are you? Let me see some ID.
when I'm doing this, can you put like music?
This rap shit flows through my veins. You can check my IV. I've been slept on.
We're supposed to chill the cookie dough to make it nice and to make it stiffer and to get let the flavors know each other, you know what I mean? Like right now the flour and the sugar like they just met, right? Like they're like kind of friends. Like they know each other, right? Like they know what they're into, but they don't like the more time you get to get to know each other, the better. Because then you have like friendship cookies.
Right.
Friendship is what builds
Cookies.
hydrogen chains, oxygen bonds, carbon bonds. Nothing on friendship. Monomers are put together by friendship. And that's what you should take away from this video. Friendship. Kids, also, you're never gonna want to eat cookie dough.
Oh, well.
Taste the butter? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna demonstrate. Don't eat cookie dough. The flour has E. coli.
Can I eat some cookie dough?
The eggs have salmonella.
Don't eat cookie dough.
Ooh, what if someone's allergic to nuts?
But I'm humble, hope you had a good sleep. But if you sleep, just make sure that you dream about me. Cause I'm dreamy, fuck whatever else you hear about me. I'm not a businessman.
This doesn't fit.
3 days later.
This is a glucose molecule. This is carbon. It's a carbon ring. And that's oxygen. That right there, that's oxygen and hydrogen. That right there, hydrogen. That right there, oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. Carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. Carbon bonded to another carbon, bonded to two hydrogens, bonded to oxygen, hydrogen. Carbon right there, bonded to oxygen, hydrogen, and hydrogen.
Man, ever since 12, I knew that I was in this. Man, 13 came along, I had to win this, man. Now I'm 17, all I do is wing it. Man, you can witness, man, I took the litmus and passed it. You're not my competition, I'm so far ahead and past